Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ready-made dumplings. First, decide on your cooking method, whether you prefer boiling, steaming, or pan-frying. Ensure your dumplings are thawed if they were previously frozen to guarantee even cooking. Gather any sauces or garnishes you plan to use, like soy sauce or chopped green onions, so everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Let's explore the most popular ways to cook your dumplings. Boiling is super easy. Just drop them into simmering water until they float. For a delightful crunch, pan-fry them in a little oil until the bottoms are golden brown. If you prefer a softer texture, steaming them in a bamboo steamer or a pot with a steamer basket works wonderfully. Once your dumplings are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them immediately to savor their best taste and texture. They pair wonderfully with a savory dipping sauce, such as a mix of soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of sesame oil. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish your plate with some vibrant chopped green onions. For perfectly cooked dumplings, avoid overcrowding your pan or steamer, which can lead to uneven cooking and prevent them from browning properly. Always ensure they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety, using a reliable food thermometer. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your delicious, homemade-style meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.